Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another beautiful topic, Crochet Cushion Cover Designs or Ideas. Today I am very excited to share with you a simple and fun project that can add a personal touch to your home decor. As we crochet, I will share some tips and tricks to help you achieve a professional looking finish. Crochet covers are very simple yet effective way to add a touch of style and elegance to your home decor. Not only do they perfect your cushions from dust and dirt, but they also provide a versatile and easy way to update the look of your furniture. With a wide range of colors, patterns, and materials to choose from, you can easily find the perfect cushion covers to match your unique taste and decor. Whether you prefer classy and traditional, modern and trendy, or bold and bright, cushion covers offer endless possibilities for creative expression. Plus, they are easy to remove and wash, making them a practical choice for busy homes. So why settle for plain and boring cushions when you can add a pop of color and personality with beautiful cushion cover? Explore the world of cushion covers today and discover a whole new way to decor your homes. Watch the video till the end and I hope you will like this video and I hope you enjoy it. Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.